It's a tails. It's anyone's guess. Tails the call. And we have got a heads. Captain has decided to bat first. The batsman will be tested with the new ball here. Let's hope they survive the initial attack. Many pace has been called into the impact now. Loose hands from the bowler. It's been signalled a wide delivery. He's taken the safe route. Unfortunate for the bowler as it runs away to the boundary. It was way too wide for the wicketkeeper to stop it. What a sitter! Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a sad walk back for the batsman. That's some great bowling. Batsman is out for 0 runs. That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game. Fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. Nicely driven to the offside covers, but fielder stopped it. No run. He's overshot the stumps. A good effort, didn't quite connect. Batsman's off the mark with that single. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. They're making the batsman fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. Excellent delivery. The batting side are no doubt getting frustrated. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defence. Well bowled. Nothing conceded. Just a complete lack of control from the bowler here, resulting in a wide. The batsman, unfortunate for the bowler as it runs away to the boundary. It was way too wide for the wicketkeeper to stop it. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. An unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting side a no ball. It's a free hit for the batsman at the crease. Big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free hit delivery. Fielders are all over it. No freebies whatsoever today. Very sharp piece of judgment by the fielder. Straight to the point fielder on the offside, so no runs will be added. Spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort.
5 plus